Right, we're doing a wheel maintenance today, so I'll be taking this wheel off, but I don't really want to use like axle stands or anything like that, so okay. So we're trying to have a look at this wheel today. But a little bit worried, like I said, about the axle stands resting on there all day. So the best thing to do, you know, apart from with axle stands, it's just like, you know, use your spare tyre. Use a spare tyre if you've got one, because you have to have a spare tyre for this. Use your spare wheel for this. Just quickly put a bolt in it. There's a couple of bolts on quickly, no big deal. I avoid using the axle stands, so that's what I've done, right? So I'll leave that like that, and that's just, you know, so I can maintain that wheel there.